Rippa standardized hoses are manufactured in a constant temperature, humidity controlled, and dust-free environment, ensuring each one offers durability and reliability that far exceeds industry standards. Utilizing fully automatic hose cutting machines with dual reel synchronized operation to enhance production efficiency, enabling Rippa to provide faster delivery response to customers. The digital control system guarantees precise cutting and consistent processing results, with a daily output meeting the hose requirements for 500 equipment units. All produced in-house, Rippa maintains strict quality control from the source for stable and standardized supply. Reliable connection techniques eliminate leakage risks, even under long-term, high-intensity operation. Large-scale crimping processes ensure every hose fitting meets high standards, safeguarding equipment safety during prolonged demanding use. The outer layer is coated with specialized synthetic rubber, temperature resistant from -40 to 150 degrees Celsius, corrosion and aging resistant, extending service life by over 50% in harsh conditions. Protective design effectively prevents expansion and deformation, enhancing safety and ensuring stable performance in high-pressure environments. From raw materials to finished products, Rippa oversees the entire quality control process, delivering standardized hoses that outperform industry standards and provide reliable protection for your equipment.